Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Brave browser app not working. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Brave browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three horizontal lines. Click on those lines to open the menu, and from the drop-down that appears, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main configuration area where you can adjust various features and troubleshoot issues. Once you're in the Settings menu, look at the left panel where you'll find different categories. Click on System to access performance-related settings. This section controls how Brave interacts with your computer's hardware and resources, which is often where problems originate. In the system settings, you'll need to locate an option that says Use Graphics Acceleration when available. This feature uses your computer's graphics card to speed up browsing, but sometimes it can cause conflicts or crashes. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to turn off graphics acceleration. Disabling this setting often resolves stability issues and crashes by reducing the strain on your graphics hardware. After toggling off graphics acceleration, you'll see a button that says Relaunch. Click on it to restart your browser with the new settings applied. Give Brave a moment to close and reopen itself automatically, and this should resolve most performance issues. Alternatively, if that doesn't fix the problem, you can reinstall Brave completely. To do this, click the Start menu on your computer. From there, click on Settings to access your system configuration. Next, click on Apps to see all the applications installed on your computer. Scroll through the list until you find Brave, and click on it to select it. Once selected, you'll see an Uninstall button appear. Click Uninstall to begin the removal process. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you're sure you want to remove the application. Click Uninstall again to confirm your decision. This will completely remove Brave from your system, along with any corrupted files that might be causing issues. After Brave has been fully uninstalled, simply install Brave browser again by downloading it from the official website. This fresh installation will give you a clean version of the browser without any of the previous problems. And that's it, you've now fixed your Brave browser using either the graphics acceleration method or a complete reinstall. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.